Making delicious cinnamon rolls doesn't have to be complicated. Here's a simple and easy recipe that yields delicious results. Ingredients: 1 package of pre-made crescent roll dough, a 1/4 cup of softened butter, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cream cheese frosting you can make your own or use store-bought. Instructions: preheat your oven to the temperature indicated on the crescent roll dough package. Roll out the crescent roll dough onto a clean surface. Press the seams together to form a single sheet of dough. Spread the softened butter evenly over the dough. In a small bowl, mix together the brown sugar and ground cinnamon. Sprinkle this mixture evenly over the butter dough. Starting from one end, roll the dough tightly into a log. Cut the log into slices, about 1 inch thick, using a sharp knife. Place the slices onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each roll. Bake in the preheated oven for the time indicated on the crescent roll dough package, or until the rolls are golden brown and cooked through. Remove the rolls from the oven and let them cool slightly. Drizzle the cream cheese over the warm cinnamon rolls. Serve and enjoy your delicious and easy homemade cinnamon rolls. This recipe provides a quick and simple way to satisfy your cinnamon roll cravings without the hassle of making dough from scratch. Feel free to customize the recipe by adding chopped nuts or raisins to the filling for extra flavor.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.